I drink bourbon and know things. Welcome to Brainy Bits and Trivia Tips, where drinks flow and knowledge grows. I'm your host, Monkey, your guide through the labyrinth of trivia and tantalizing tidbits. Today, we're taking a cosmic journey, diving into the mysteries of the universe. From expanding galaxies to black holes, from the elusive dark matter to the speed of light, and the puzzling concept of time dilation. So, buckle up, trivia enthusiasts. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Did you know our universe is constantly expanding? It's a concept that continues to puzzle and amaze scientists and trivia buffs alike. This idea was born out of the Big Bang Theory, the leading explanation about how the universe began. Picture this. Around 13.8 billion years ago, our universe sprang into existence as a hot, dense point nearly infinitely small. Since then, it's been stretching out in all directions, like the surface of an inflating balloon. But how do we know this? Enter the Doppler effect. Much like the change in frequency or wavelength of a wave for an observer moving relative to its source, like when an ambulance siren changes pitch as it passes by, the light from distant galaxies shifts toward the red end of the spectrum as they move away from us. This red shift is key evidence for our ever-expanding universe. So remember, that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind's knowledge. Ever wondered what happens inside a black hole? Well, prepare to delve into one of the greatest mysteries of our universe. Black holes, celestial entities of such immense gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. Born from the remnants of massive stars after they explode as supernovae, black holes are anything but empty space. They're packed with a huge amount of matter, squeezed into an incredibly small area. Imagine an object so dense with a gravitational pull so strong it warps the fabric of space and time around it. But what happens inside a black hole, you ask? The truth is, we're not completely sure. Scientists theorize the existence of a singularity at the center, a point where gravity is so intense that space-time curves infinitely. The laws of physics as we know them cease to exist, making black holes the ultimate cosmic conundrum. Black holes, where matter goes to disappear. Let's delve into the unseen, the dark matter. Imagine a world where everything you see only makes up about 5% of the universe. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not a figment of imagination, but possibly a scientific fact. This unseen world is what scientists refer to as dark matter. It's a mysterious substance, invisible to our eyes and even our most advanced detectors. Despite its elusive nature, we believe it exists due to the gravitational effects it exerts on galaxies. Without dark matter, galaxies would simply fly apart. So it's like the invisible glue that holds the universe together. The search for dark matter is one of the most fascinating quests in science today. Solving this cosmic conundrum could be a game changer, possibly leading to breakthroughs in our understanding of the universe, its birth, its current state, and its eventual fate. Dark matter, the unseen force holding our universe together. Fasten your seatbelts. We're about to travel at the speed of light. Imagine if you could traverse the entire circumference of Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. That's the speed of light for you, clocking in at a whopping 186,000 miles per second or around 300,000 kilometers per second. Quite a speed to fathom, isn't it? The speed of light isn't just a number, it's a fundamental constant of nature. It shapes our understanding of space and time. And here's the kicker. Nothing can move faster than light. This speed limit isn't just a suggestion, it's a cosmic law, a boundary that can't be crossed. Why, you might ask? Well, as an object gets closer to the speed of light, it requires more and more energy to continue accelerating. To reach or exceed the speed of light would require infinite energy, which is impossible. The speed of light, the ultimate speed limit of the universe. Time flies, or does it? Now there's a question that will make your head spin. Let's delve into the concept of time dilation. This mind-boggling phenomenon is a direct consequence of Einstein's theory of relativity, which, in simple terms, states that time is not a constant entity. Imagine you're on a spaceship traveling close to the speed of light. For you, time seems to be ticking away normally. But for your friend back on Earth, time appears to be moving slower for you. That's time dilation for you. The closer you get to the speed of light, the slower time appears to pass for you, relative to someone who is stationary. This is not just a science fiction trope, it's been experimentally confirmed. So, in a way, if you want to age slower than your peers, just hop on a spaceship and travel near the speed of light. Time dilation, where time is not absolute. Now, let's test your celestial knowledge with our top 10 space and astronomy trivia questions. So, you think you're a bit of a stargazer, eh? Well, let's see just how much you really know. Question 1. What's the hottest planet in our solar system? You might think it's our closest neighbor to the Sun, Mercury, but you'd be wrong. It's actually Venus, thanks to its thick, toxic atmosphere that traps in heat. Moving on to question 2. What's the most recognized constellation? If you said the Big Dipper, you're close but no cigar. The correct answer is Orion, also known as the Hunter. Question 3. What's the speed of light? This one's a classic. The speed of light is approximately 186,282 miles per second. Try saying that 5 times fast. On to question 4. What do we call a group of stars that form an imaginary picture? That would be a constellation. Question 5. How many moons does Jupiter have? Would you believe that Jupiter has a whopping 79 moons? Galileo would be astounded. Question 6. What's the closest galaxy to the Milky Way? Andromeda is the one. It's on a collision course with us, but don't worry, it won't happen for another 4 billion years. Now, question 7. How old is our universe? According to current estimates, the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Makes you feel quite young, doesn't it? Question 8. Which planet is known as the evening star? That would be Venus. It's often the first star you see at night. Question 9. Which planet has the strongest winds in the solar system? Neptune holds this record, with winds reaching up to 1,300 miles per hour. And finally, question 10. What's the largest type of star in the universe? These are called hypergiants. They're rare, but they're out there, dwarfing our sun. How many did you get right? Well, we've journeyed through space and time today. We've explored the ever-expanding universe, dove into the enigmatic nature of black holes, and pondered over the elusive dark matter. We've raced with the speed of light and experienced the peculiarities of time dilation. Such are the mysteries of the universe, where every answer only spawns 1,000 more questions. And let's not forget our trivia. We've tackled the top 10 space and astronomy questions you're likely to face in your next pub quiz. From the largest planet in our solar system to the speed of light, we've got you covered. In this cosmic voyage of ours, we've managed to squeeze the vastness of space and time into our little trivia night. We've discovered, we've learned, and we've grown. Just like the universe, our knowledge keeps expanding. Remember to like and subscribe for more brainy bits and trivia tips. Keep learning, keep winning, and see you in the next episode.